Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. This video, I will be showing you guys how to make the ultimate fluffy slime. So let's get started. You will need glue, shaving foam, foaming hand wash, baby powder, moisturizing lotion, baby oil, food coloring or paint, and finally something to mix in and something to mix with. All these ingredients can be found in the stationery store or your local grocery store. Now, once you got all your ingredients, let's get started making the slime. So first, take your Elmer's glue or any PVA glue and pour in your desired amount. Next, take your shaving foam. Make sure to shake it up and spray in about the same amount you did glue. After that, take your foaming hand wash and pump in 2 to 3 pumps. Now you can take your mixing tool and start mixing slowly. You should have this very silky consistency. Once you mixed enough, you can add your color. This is optional, by the way. If you're not happy with the color, you can always add more color. Okay, now you mix the color in, you can add your baby powder, or you can use cornstarch. Once you mix that in, add your moisturizer. Also add in some baby oil if you wish. Now you finish mixing, you can activate your slime with borax solution or contact lens solution with baking soda. You have to gradually add your activator until it's not sticky to touch. As you can see here, I didn't add enough activator, so I just went ahead and add more. After mixing for a few more minutes, you get to this consistency. Now, your slime is ready to be played with.